I respect you, Gina. I don't need to tell you, Gina. Too much for me, oh Gina. Like the way you do, oh Gina. Oh, Gina, you my Gina. Want to take you out.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new on here, please do not forget to subscribe. And also to my return viewers, thank you so much for keeping up with me. So today we are making Ghana's famous Sobolo, the hibiscus drink. Very easy to make and very healthy. So stay with me. Here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have 2 cups of hibiscus flower. I have a tablespoon of negro pepper, 1 ounce of ginger, a slice of lime, 8 cups of water, 1 medium-sized lemon cut in 8 pieces, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 branch leaf of mint, just for garnishing, by the way. So I decided to rinse the hibiscus flowers because I don't know where it has been, just to be on the safe side. And I'm just going to add my lemon, all 8 pieces. I had some lime left in my fridge, so I added that as well. Then I will add my ginger, so now add water. The measuring cup I'm using is the 2 cups measuring cup, so I'm gonna go in 4 times for the 8 cups of water.
When I'm there, you'll hear me.
Alright, so now I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar for the meantime, stir everything together, and then allow it to cook for 15 minutes before I add anything else.
Gonna miss you when you leave. Take my hand and fly away with me.
So now go ahead and add the negro pepper and allow it to cook again for 15 more minutes. Right, so now it's all done. Go ahead and turn off your stove and then allow the drink to cool before you strain it. Alright, so now the drink is cool now, so I'm going to go ahead and strain it. You just need a clean bowl that you're actually going to strain it into, and then you strain it 1 more time. So yes, here we go. I got this calabash when I went to Ghana. I just don't know, I just needed it in my house somehow. I mean, you can actually use anything to scoop it, but I just wanted to be fancy and use my calabash. Alright, so now you have your drink in a bowl, nice and neat. Now you're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of sugar, which is the remaining sugar, and stir so everything will mix completely and dissolve in the drink. So this is the final process. I am going to strain it again into a jar. This is the jar I'll be putting into the fridge. I would say this is the main jar that I'm going to be using. So be careful with this because this thing, it can be really messy. So take your time and strain everything into the jar. And yes, like I said, this is the final process. So it's all done. I'm going to keep this in the fridge for an hour to cool, and then I will bring it back to, go straight to the garnishing part of the process. Garnishing is not required. I'm just pouring my drink on ice cubes, and I'm going to add my mint and the lime to garnish it. I think I'm just trying to be fancy over here, but if you have guests and you're doing this for your guests, I think it's just, nice and neat to garnish the drink and not just serve it anyhow. But like I said, it's not required. See how nice it looks? Cheers! I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment if you tried this recipe, and also like and share. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is Willie's Kitchen.
You know go no, I know go no, baby.